Hi and welcome back to the Simple Web Start Learning Center, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to add the search bar to the top of your web page. So if we click on this is the search bar, so anybody searching for a particular page can actually write it up here and then click the search button, and then that will take them to a selection of pages that relates to the actual search. So if this is the first time you are watching this video and you would like to try this out, if you haven't got an account with me, then if you scroll down you will be able to click this link here, and I'll leave you a link in the description so you can find this page. And like I say, if you click on the link, that will give you a template that you can try adding a search bar. So what you'll need to do, if you go over to settings, go to general settings, if you scroll down, and then just under where we've added the favicon, you'll see show search in header, and you can actually turn it on here. And when you've turned it on, save changes, and then what you'll do, you'll see it appear up the top of the web page. So if you've not subscribed as yet, please come in onto the channel, and then I'll be able to keep you updated with other beginner friendly how to build a website videos. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.